Hey, we're planting some grass seeds, so I picked up this 80-foot by 40-inch roll of burlap by Cortec. So we're gonna lay this down and check it out. I like using burlap for grass seed because when you're planting grass, you really wanna keep that dirt nice and moist and wet. This burlap is a nice cover for it. It's gonna protect it from wind and heavy rain. So we're gonna get this laid out on that fresh grass seed and see how it works. Let's take a little bit closer look at this burlap. Here's the fabric itself. It's a nice woven pattern. This should be plenty of burlap for my project. If you try buying burlap at a garden store or the big box stores, it's definitely more expensive than this option. So I like the big roll for the price on Amazon. This roll is 40 inches wide by 80 feet long, so that's going to cover about 266 square feet, which should be enough for my project. I like this big bulk roll here. It's definitely bigger than the options I've found at the stores locally. This was easy to roll out over my freshly planted grass, and it is easy to cut as well. You will want to get some stakes to secure the corners so it doesn't blow around. The roll provided enough coverage for my project and will keep my dirt nice and moist to encourage the grass seed to grow.